In total, we have about 25 spindles throughout the various shops. We have 7 buildings and 3.5 acres in total on campus. We've done a lot of consolidating and a lot of efficiency improvements, so we've actually reduced our footprint as we've grown the business just through efficiency improvements. So modernizing technology and processes and taking processes that used to span 4 CNC machines and condensing them to a single machine with a robot tender, where we've been able to continue to compete and add value for our customers. For us in the contract manufacturing world, our efficiency is driven by how quickly we can set up and produce the next part number. So every minute that the machine's not running, we're not making money and we have to pass those costs on to our customer. So when we get really effective at keeping the machines running and quickly setting up for the next thing, we're able to provide a better price and a better product for our customer. So a lot of the machinery that we're using now that allows us to do that are mill turns, which have a lot of tooling inherently stored in the machine, so you're not constantly having to change out tooling between parts. You're actually able to use the same tools between part numbers. Makes that setup and the changeover a lot faster.